Hey bag lovers, welcome back to Arm Candy. Great to have you with us today on what is a very snowy day here at Arm Candy. It's beautiful out there. We've had a lot of snowfall through the night and now it's clear blue skies, bright sunshine. It's absolutely stunning out there. Much like today's bag, which is very stunning. That's a dreadful link, isn't it? Well, there we go. That's the link we've got, that's what we're going with. So today's bag is a beautiful Mulberry Bayswater. It's a small Bayswater in black and it's just gorgeous. It comes with all sorts of bags and paperwork and tissue. I'll show you that in a second. First, I'm just going to talk you through the actual features of the bag. So, double top handles. It also has a long strap and the strap is removable and it does say Mulberry on it. I think the Mulberry is upside down. Yeah, again, the Mulberry is upside down there. I've got it the wrong way around for you, but that gives you an idea. We've got, of course, a flap closure with the postman's lock. We'll open that up. Inside, it's black suede lining. Feels beautiful to the touch. And we've got a zip pocket and a flap pocket, which are on the front of the bag. So you've got your flap pocket there. There is a zipped pocket just here. And also the Mulberry logo as well. Size-wise, as I said, it's a small. I'm going to put it on so that you can get an idea. It's a size small and the measurements are on the website. This might help put it into perspective. I am 5'4" and a UK size 10. Okay, so crossbody it's like so, and you could of course wear it as a shoulder. Let's show you what it comes with and then I'll talk you through the condition of this bag. So first of all, it comes with the Mulberry paper bag. Also comes with Mulberry dust bag and with the Mulberry tissue paper coat. You can see it's got the Mulberry tree logo, there you go, Mulberry tree logo on it. And then we've got the a Mulberry envelope with a whole bunch of stuff in it. So this is a Mulberry card that just explains the Britishness of the brand. There is a returns label, obviously you couldn't use that now, but it does come with that. There's a little envelope. And then also the little care card as well. It's gone very, very bright, hasn't it? Okay, so the condition of this particular bag, we've said the exterior is good condition, the interior very good, and the hardware good. So I'll talk you through all of those reasons. The interior is very good. I've got nothing to show you. There's no marks, there's no issues with it. You can just see that perhaps the bag has been used a couple of times. But very good condition, nothing to point out to you. The hardware we've called good condition. There is just some signs of wear. So for example, I don't know if you can see, but just on the edge, on the tip there, we've got some of, just a little bit of wearing, it's worn away a little. The front bit of the plaque is actually fantastic condition. You can tell it's been used a couple of times. See, as I move it, it's trying to catch, you can see there's no marks on it. Okay, so hardware, good condition. The attachment bits and the D-rings are all fine. The D-ring just has a little bit of where the attacher goes on, but this is all fantastic condition. And then the hardware we've called good. Let's just do it up and I'll show you why we've only given it a good. First of all, the corners are excellent. The bottom corners are absolutely excellent. There is no signs of wear at the bottom corners whatsoever. And in fact, that's something that I love about the Johnny Coker Bayswater. I love that the pocket is on the front of the bag, so that as you sort of lift this flap up, you just put your hand at the right front to get the pocket. I think that's a beautiful design. But also, the bottom corners on his Bayswater are so much more resilient to wear. I think that's a really, really clever design. But the reason we've only given it a good, there is just where the straps are, I don't know if you'll be able to see, can you see just a little bit of denting there? Now, that happens even if the bag is never ever used, because just storing it like that, naturally the leather will give a little dent. But obviously I want to point that out to you. And the other thing is, can you see, where is it? It's just here. There's a little line. You only catch it in certain lights. Can I catch it in a light where you can see it? No. Ah, can you see it there? There's a little line just there. Can you see that? Now, I don't know what it is. It isn't a tear, it isn't a scratch. You know, if you put your fingernail through it, it's not catching on anything. So there's no rip, there's no tear. It's not a mark. It's just that in some lights you can just see a little line, and you can see how faint it is. I struggle to point it out to you. I can't work out if it's, you know when you've got the natural grain of the leather, and sometimes just the natural layout of that grain creates little patterns in it. I don't know if it's that even. See, I can't show you very well. But there's just a little tiny line. Like I said, it's not a rip, it's not a tear, it's not a mark. I can't work out what it is. But for that reason, we've called the exterior good condition. But as you can see, it's quite hard to see it. It only catches in certain lights, and it doesn't detract from the beautiful little Bayswater that this is. So, before you go and check this out on the website, remember to subscribe to our Arm Candy Bag channel, hit the bell, and we have bag videos coming on every day. Every day we have new arm candy coming in that we put on the website, so you want to see what that is, in case it's your dream bag. So hit the bell. Once you've done that, go to my comments in the description below the video, and there's a link that takes you straight to this on the website. You can have a look at this. And you can look at all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. We've got Mulberry,